wind is brutal, the water is rising.
2 intense and deadly storms rocked the globe this week.
Typhoon Mangkhut has rolled into Hong Kong.
Even before the latest storms hit, many people were asking the same key question.
Is climate change making hurricanes worse? Yes.
The scientific debate surrounding climate change may be over.
The facts are crystal clear. Climate change is real.
The headlines tonight: we are experiencing the 6th mass extinction in Earth's history, and it's not too late to do something about it.
The problems are getting worse and worse and worse by the day, and we don't have time to spare.
What we are doing now can soon no longer be undone. Our house is falling apart. To panic unless you have to is a terrible idea.
Higher temperatures are already happening. They will increase deaths. Food and waterborne illnesses will spread. Wildfires, as we've just seen so painfully in California, will increase. Floods, as we've just seen after hurricanes, will be more frequent. Asthma and allergies will be worse. Crop production will decline because of high temperatures and drought.
But when your house is on fire and you want to keep your house from burning to the ground, then that does require some level of panic.
Yeah, I don't believe it. No, I don't believe it.
It is true that President Trump doesn't go along with it.
All of this with the global warming and that, a lot of it's a hoax. It's a hoax. I mean, it's a money-making industry, okay?
I was told to turn off the lights to save energy and to recycle paper to save resources.
In the UK, we use millions of plastic bottles, tubs and trays a day. These could be recycled into really useful things. Here's how. Bottles, tubs and trays are separated from other recyclable materials by hand or machine. They are cleaned and sorted by plastic type using clever technology, then sorted by colour, blue, natural, green and mixed, and are shredded, washed, melted and reformed into pellets, which can then be used to make fleeces and footy shirts, as well as toys, chairs and picnic benches, or more plastic bottles.
Every little thing we can do to reduce our individual or household carbon footprint will help to combat global warming. And just imagine the impact if hundreds of millions of us, particularly in the wealthy developed countries, were to join that parade. You can make a difference.
The year our world first tasted cyanide was the year we started dumping plastic in the oceans. How kind of us to feed wildlife with the leftovers of our industries. Last night, I sat up wondering how much cleaner the seas would be if we all started recycling. They say a house will burn to the ground if no one yells smoke. So I'm calling fire.